gross actually, but it's really soft. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sai's Way, and today I'm gonna be unboxing the National Geographic Super Slime and Putty Lab, where there are 4 varieties of slime and putty. The kit includes sparkling putty, glow-in-the-dark putty, 1 UV light keychain, fluffy slime, 1 packet of blue slime powder, 1 stir stick, 4 storage containers, and 1 learning guide. So now let's open it. Here I have the learning guide. Here we have the super slime and putty lab instructions. Then here we have slime warnings. We have slime science lab and putty science lab. Then here we have putty warnings, and rest of the pages are about is a small learning guide. Here I have the UV light keychain. Here I have the stir stick. And here I have the putties. And the dark sparkling putty. Fluffy slime. And this one slime, we have to make it. And here we have the slime powder. And it says it glow in the dark. So I think we have 2 things that glow in the dark. One is glow in the dark putty and glow in the dark slime. So first let's check out all these putties. Let's check out the fluffy slime. Wow. Looks gross actually, but it's really soft. So sticky. Now let's try sparkling putty. Looks so sparkly. Wow. Feels so soft actually. This feels so good. So sparkly. So cool. Guys. Okay, time for glow in the dark putty. I'm so ready to test it out. It actually looks like white slime, but when it glows in the dark, it looks like it will turn like green color. Look at how it stretches. Now it's already amazing like this, but it's going to be way amazing in the dark. Wow, it's glowing. make the slime. So this one also is the glow in the dark. So I have some warm water, and now I'm just gonna cut the bag. Okay, little powder and mix. Okay, it's time to make things dark. So guys, make sure you try this out, and I will see you in my next video. But before that, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.